If your motorcycle is not starting, the headlamp or other lights are not glowing, the ABS system not working, or the horn not working, it may be due to a faulty fuse. Follow these simple steps to inspect and replace it. The only tool you will need is a fuse plugging tool. This is available in your toolkit. First, turn off the ignition and remove the key. Now, unlock the right-hand side panel using the key and open it to access the fuse box. Open the fuse box lid by pressing the clip and lift it up. Hold the box and pull out each fuse with the fuse plucker tool. Inspect closely. Look for the broken wire to detect if the fuse is blown. If you find one, replace it by the respective spare fuse which is available in the fuse box using your fingers. Press it firmly to make it seat properly. Close the fuse box lid and lock the clip properly to avoid any water seepage. Close the right-hand side panel by pushing it firmly. Lock it using the key. We recommend that you visit the nearest Royal Enfield service center to restore the consumed spare fuse for future use. You're all set for the trip. Keep riding.